Louis grade 10. Our topic for today will be about the ideal gas law. So it is the accumulation or the combination of all the gas laws that we have discussed so far. So here, the formula for the ideal gas law is PV is equal to nRT, in which P stands for the pressure, V stands for the volume, N stands for the number of moles, T stands for the temperature, and R stands for the ideal gas constant, or simply just call it the gas constant. And the unit that we will be using for the pressure is atmosphere or ATM. Liters for volume, mole for molecules or number of molecules, and we have Kelvin for the degree Kelvin. And this is the unit for the gas constant. We have the liter multiplied by ATM over moles times degree Kelvin, or simply Kelvin. Now, we have the value for R, or the gas constant. However, yung value ko na gagamitin natin ngayon is not always the same. So, what do I mean is, sometimes, siguro po may encounter nyo po ito in higher level, we are not using ATM for the pressure because the standard unit or the SI unit for pressure is Pascal. So, as of now, ginagamit natin this ATM, kaya po mag-aaral tayo sa ganitong sagot mamaya. However, mababago po ito, depende po sa unit na gagamitin for the pressure. So, remember our topic about the unit conversion. We have converted 1 ATM into millimeter mercury, 1 ATM into Pascal, 1 ATM into PSI. So, we have different value for them. So, kapag nagbago, hindi na po ATM ang gamit. Therefore, babago na lang ang value ng gas constant. Together with the unit. Now, let us proceed with this one since ito yung gagamitin natin. So, remember our topic about the Avogadro's law. Here we have STP. When we see STP again, this is the standard temperature and pressure. At standard temperature and pressure, we have 0 degrees Celsius and we have 1 ATM. Now, in Avogadro's law, we have 22.4 for the volume and we have 1 mole for the number of moles as at STP. Now, to get the value of R, kailangan natin yung formula natin na PV and RT. In order for us to get the value of R, kailangan maalis natin si N at si T on this side of the equation. So, when we divide both sides by N and T, maiiwan po si R dito, and our formula for now is PV over NT. In which, kapag translate na tayo, we have 1 ATM, 22.4 liters over 1 mole times 273 Kelvin. So 22.4 divided by 273 is equal to 0.08205, or kapag po tayo na round off, is magkakaroon tayo ng 0.0821 liters atmosphere over moles Kelvin. Now let us now proceed with our sample problem. For our sample problem, a chemist is preparing to carry out a reaction at high pressure that requires 36 moles of hydrogen gas. The chemist pumped the hydrogen to 12.4 liters rigid steel container at 25 degrees Celsius. To what pressure in ATM the hydrogen be compressed? Since ang hinahanap natin is in the ATM, no need for any conversion since ang ginagamit natin ATM ngayon is, or ginagamit natin the unit for pressure ngayon is for the ATM. Now, let us write our given. So, nandito na po mga given natin. Yung R natin, pwede na siyang hindi isulat since kailangan tandaan natin siya. Ito po ang gagamitin natin ngayon, palagi. 0.0821 liters ATM over mole Kelvin. Now, so bakit po magkaiba sa naman itong given doon sa problem natin? So here, we will be using 298 Kelvin. And kung nalimutan po, this is how we convert the degree Celsius to degree Kelvin. So we have 25. So mag-add tayo ng 273 That is why we get 298 degree Kelvin. So from Celsius to Kelvin. So kailangan ko, ano po yan. Now proceed with the formula. So in order for us to get the formula for pressure, sunod na po yung ginagawa. Kung nalimutan po, kung hindi kaya sa uluhin, yung bawat formula for each and everything, gagawin natin is, kailangan sa ulo natin yung formula natin for the ideal gas law. Now, what's missing is pressure. So remove volume by dividing both sides by volume. So our formula that we will be using is, so we have P is equal to nRT over V. In which, kapag tayo translate na, so we have P is equal to, the value of N is 36 mole. Then, value of R, ililinis po natin siya ng konti. So, instead of writing R there, right after the number of moles, hindi muna natin siya isusulat. Why? So, there is a reason. So, let us try na isulat natin si value of R in the middle of N and T. 0.0821. And the units are, the unit is medyo mahirap po siyang tingnan. So, some of you, malilito po dyan. That is why, gagawin natin is, i-adjust natin ng konti yung formula natin or yung mismong form ng formula natin. So, instead of writing R here, isusulat natin siya sa dulo. So, now, sulat muna natin si value of temperature. Value of temperature is we have 298 Kelvin. Over the value of volume is 12.4 liters. Now, proceed na tayo sa value ni R. Value of R is 0.0821 and the units are, so sa numerator natin we have liters ATM, so atmosphere over mole and Kelvin. Now we are done with the translation. Next is cancellation of units. So cancel natin. Kung meron kaparehas yung numerator unit mo, or unit mo sa numerator, dun sa denominator, cancel namin yan. So we have moles here. We have Kelvin, and we have liters. And what's left is atmosphere or ATM. Since pressure yung nawawala, pressure yung kailangan natin, so tama lang po na maiwan si atmosphere or ATM as our unit. Now let us now proceed with, syempre, combination tayo. So numerator muna. Or if you have your calculator, pwede na siya directly. However, again, sa pag-score natin, kailangan po na complete po yung solution natin. P is equal to, so we have 36 times 298 times 0.021. The answer for this one is, ayan, calculate tayo. So we have 880.77 ATM over 12.4. Then, our final answer is 71.0 And that's it for our idea.